Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to share your YouTube video without playing the video. So without playing it, maybe you have a very long video, I will show you how to share it. Open your YouTube channel and click on Video Manager. Go to Video Manager here. So on your Video Manager, loading YouTube Studio. Then I will show you. It will shows your own videos. So for example, got lots of videos. So we have this video or any video. You just click here. Click here and then click on get shareable link. Get shareable link. Click on it. The link of this particular video is copied. Link copied to clipboard. Now you go to the website which you want to share. Example, any website. So I will put Twitter. So I will share with my Twitter. Okay, so you click on tweet here. Here you click on tweet. And then you right click, paste. This is the link which is copied, paste it. And then tweet. Click on tweet. So the link is tweeted. You can go to home and then click on tweets. This is your shared video which is shared 11 seconds ago. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe. Bye.